Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique and today we're just going to see how to insert a pie chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pie chart on your Canva sheets on your computer is going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, just going to select the data I just inserted here. So after selecting data, you can use action button to find the chart, or you have the option to have a magic chart. I just go with the chart. So after clicking on the chart here, you just need to select any one of the chart first. So click on the view all chart. So after clicking here, just swipe here, you have the pie and donut chart. Here you just go with the pie chart. After selecting the pie chart, you have this option called customize. So here you have the two options like number or percentage which should be shown. I just go with the percentage. And then you just come to the data, and in the data you have to select the segment. So first I just going to change the things, like you can change like segment like this, or you can just change the segment like this. Which segment you just needed, you can just easily customize here. And also the label, so you have change the label, you can just change the label. And here the data range, so you can just choose the range here. And if you just need to change the color, you just click here and you can just easily customize the color of the pie chart. So this is so easy to customize, and this is how you just create a pie chart on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and more so beautiful day.